Introducing the sleek and stylish 2019 Volkswagen T-Cross Life 1.0 TSI with 95 horsepower under the hood. This black beauty boasts a 1 litre engine and has only 105,655 kilometres on the clock. Packed with features like air conditioning, cruise control, USB 12-volt power outlets and multiple airbags, this car ensures a safe and comfortable ride. With ABS, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking, your safety is our top priority. Not to mention, this vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us now or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.